Hi, good morning everybody. Today let us make zucchini. This is a lovely vegetable which does not need to be cooked much. It has its own taste and is very soft. You can make it with the skin itself. So we will to retain its taste so that we don't spoil the taste and enjoy the taste of this vegetable. Let us wash it thoroughly and use it as it is with very little of masalas and all those things. So let us make zucchini stir fry with pepper and salt and little bit of olive oil. Now the ingredients that are required to make this vegetable for lunch are: I need 2 potatoes, 1 onion medium size and 1 zucchini which I have thoroughly washed. Now I'll slice it into thin rounds. Same I will do with the onion and the potatoes. And I need olive oil or any other cooking oil or even desi ghee. Cow's ghee we must use, not buffalo's ghee. That makes you put on weight. Cow's ghee is very good for health. And salt and pepper. That is all we require. Peel the potato, peel the onion and wash this thoroughly, zucchini, and cut the top and the base. And now let us make rounds. So my vegetables are ready to be grilled in a pan. This is the zucchini. I have cut it with the skin. This much thickness. Don't make it very thin. This is okay. It will shrink a little when I put it in for grilling. So itna to hona chahiye. Then the onion. This is to enhance the taste of zucchini. I have removed the leaves one, separated them out, and this is the potato. These also I have cut into, sliced into rounds, little thick. So first of all we will add some oil in the pan and we will put these potatoes, because potatoes will take long to soften up and get ready. After that we will add zucchini and then last we will add onions. So let us begin with the procedure. Take some oil, 1 teaspoon. Either you can take ghee, that is cow's ghee, or you can take olive oil or any other cooking oil and add it to a pan. The pan should be thick bottom because that is better if you want to grill the vegetables, and this is just going to be stir fry, so we need a nice pan. Now add the potatoes because potatoes take long to soften up. Keep on stir frying them until they turn pinkish. Turning pinkish, so let us add zucchini. Now stir fry this also. This is a very soft delicacy. It gets ready within seconds. There is no need to keep it on high flame for a long time. Just stir fry it and let it retain its own taste. Now add the onions also. I have added the onions. Keep on stir frying it. You can even make it in the oven. Add some ghee or oil or butter to the oven tray and place one round and grill it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Turn the side after 5 minutes. They will be nice and ready. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper and oregano. I have added little salt, around very little. Actually this vegetable does not need much salt, as per taste. And I have added red chili powder because I like red chili. I am going to eat this as it is the vegetable, so chili will taste good. Then black pepper, and I have also added oregano. Just sprinkled it all over. So my stir fry zucchini is ready to serve. Either you can eat it as it is or as a snack, or you can eat it with topped with rice, or you can add it as an accompaniment to any of your dishes like fish fry, then chicken or any other mixed vegetable. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share my video if you feel like. Make this dish. It is very simple, very easy and extremely delicious and healthy and low cal. Good for diabetics, good for Weight Watchers. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Have a good day. Keep safe, keep healthy, take care and God bless you all. This whole vegetable to make takes around 10 minutes, 5 minutes to cut the vegetables and 5 minutes to cook. And you can sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top to make it more tasty, more healthy. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Happy Ram Navami to everybody.